Hello everyone. So to start off, I'm going to talk about my classroom for the 3D model. I'm going to start with the cotton balls. These would be the bean bags for the kids to use during reading time or when they have free time to be able to go in off by themselves. Then we have the station right here. This is where the tablets are, these things, and these are wobbly chairs for just so they can have a different type of setting than a normal desk. Then this is the whiteboard for them to work out their problems. And you have the strip right here, the ABC strip, and the number line. Then you have the carpet with X's and where the teacher would read during their reading time. With the yellow paper would be a bookcase. The red would be posters. And then this would be the smart board. Yeah.